As we get up past the swing bridge, you can see coming into view the next old train bridge in front of us. This little bridge is the CP Rail Bridge. It's the main line that runs from Havelock all the way through Peterborough, catching many of the small towns all the way into Toronto. This was the main Via line for many years, as it carried passengers back and forth each day. However, they discontinued that a number of years ago, and today it's used basically only for freight trains. Erected here in the early 1900s, it too was a manually operated bridge. It had a big turnkey that sat down the middle of it. Two men could then walk around in circles to open and close the bridge. Today, though, they have an electric motor that does the same task, but sure enough, if they had a hydro outage in the area, they could still open and close this bridge manually using that big turnkey. Quaker Oats is probably one of the largest users of this track, as it brings most of the grain products through here by rail. This bridge swings a couple of times every day and then is left closed each evening for the late night trains to travel through Peterborough. I'd say Quaker Oats is probably one of the largest users of this track, as they bring most of the grain products through here. They process about 27,000 bushels of product every single day. As we get up past the train bridge, way down on either side of us, lining each side of the canal where the water meets the shoreline, cage baskets filled with flat rock, today known as gabion walling. Originally used in Venice, Italy, it dates all the way back into Egyptian times, and they had canals that crisscross